We are back. We got Mikey Saleh and Jimmy Bird. Both very good players. Jimmy's done very well in the last couple of tournaments he's played in here. Mikey's always a threat to go deep. Jimmy's made a ball on a break with a great look here at the one ball. Should be pretty much connected dots.
Two right in the corner, laying right in the corner.
Now he's got to fall good on the 3 from here. Just kind of come between the 3 and the 9 and come up past. Just like that. Come off the side rail. I don't see any trouble here. Just got to make sure you make the balls.
Good shot.
Nice and firm. Shoot that ball to the back of the pocket. Okay, now you want to get a good little angle on the 7 so you can draw it up and play the 8 in the side. From here, he's going to play the 8 in the corner, probably come off the bottom rail there, right?
Yeah, coming right there. That's a good shot. A little bit tough angle, but should be able to just come by the side. Shoot 9 in the right-hand corner. Oh, no.
Yeah, made himself work there a little too much. I think I would have shot the 7 ball down to the bottom rail and spun it over to the side rail, right, if I'm going to play the 8 in that corner.
Right. Oh, he missed the 9. Had a great shot on the 9 and missed it.
Left Mikey tough a little bit. Left him some distance. We watched someone else miss this ball earlier.
Mike's got this. Mike's got this shot.
He's going to punch it.
Oh,
Yeah.
not on this table. Not on this table.
That punchy stroke don't work on this one though anymore.
No.
Gotta shoot him in. All right, so
got off to a little rocky start here.
Jimmy Bird takes the early lead. What they say, early bird gets the worm.
Second, just remember one other thing I need to do. Hand me the mouse, please. Thank you.
So I have a piece of Brandon and Josh, and they're playing each other.
That's the worst, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jimmy's broke dry.
It's even worse when they play each other.
But there's not a clear shot on the 1, so Mikey's either going to have to push or kick, which preferably he would push, I would think.
Looks like if he can see the edge of this ball, he's going to try to play safe. Thin the 1 and let the 9 ball take him in behind the 2 ball, I think that.
Right.
Right? A little bit of high English.
But I don't know if he'll be able to shoot the 2 down past the 4, I think it is.
Hit it a little firm.
He got him.
Now he's left the nation. No.
Left it out.
So Jimmy, he does have a pocket for the 1 ball. Looks like he's going to play it up down here in this left-hand corner. That ball might not pass.
No.
Mikey will play the combination, I think.
Good shot. Good shot. One's coming up to give him a shot.
Right between the 6 and the 8.
He may be able to get behind the 2 and play the combination on the 9. Which is, he was trying to, but I'm the 1 ball up.
You're going to see that a lot on this table. You got to hit them smooth. The pockets aren't any tighter than any other hole, any other table here. Good shot, Jimmy. The shelves are a hair deeper, and that's just by happenstance from Diamond. You just got to hit them smooth. You can't get away,
Right. It
stroke the ball in the
looks
hole.
like Mikey's kind of forcing things right now.
Yep.
When you get settled in, we'll see what happens then.
Hit
Here
this one
comes the
nice and smooth.
combination. Good shot.
Good shot there by Jimmy. 2-0 now, Jimmy Bird. Okay, guys. If you're out here watching the stream today, do us a favor, give us a like, subscribe to our page. All right, Jimmy's set to break the balls now. Fires the wing ball in. 8-ball hanging. Jimmy's got a good chance to get out here. Can play the bank on the 1. Could bank the 1 in the side. Nice and firm, and hold the cue ball there for the 2.
He banked it in the side. I don't know if that's the side he was wanting.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking the 2-rail bank in the side.
that kind of looks like my last match. You know what I mean?
Jimmy's got to get himself comfortable. He almost looks not quite real comfortable. Could be the TV table. Some of the guys, they get a little nerved up.
Get a decent safe here if he doesn't like it. Push it 1, 2 rail behind a 9. Get the cue ball up on the top rail, right?
Yep.
Or he can bank it.
Could even
push forward a little bit.
You could even take a crack at cutting the 3 in and letting your cue ball run down in there and maybe possibly making the 8. You got a couple options here. He's playing the 9-ball. He's going to play the carom.
I like that.
Still left Mikey some distance. This shot is the rack. If Mikey makes his shot, he should be out from here. Good shot there by Mikey. Moved the 5-ball over, though, in a bad spot. Okay, so not so bad now.
It's 4 easy.
What's up, girl? I didn't win.
Spins down here. You're going to shoot the 5 in the corner pocket. Maybe not. Good shot. Good shot.
No.
Mikey scratched. Had to cut the ball backwards. Let the ball come up off the rail. Side rail into the upper corner pocket.
I did buy you today.
It's 3 for Jimmy, 0 for Mike. Mike has got to get going. Race is only to 7 and don't want to be any farther back than he is right now.
Now, the only good thing is it is winter break. If Jimmy's breaking the balls pretty decent. Looks like he's going to get unfortunate here. Not to get a good look at the 1.
So make 2 balls on the break and doesn't have a shot. He'll push.
Rick Molinaro, Brandon Shuff, table 4. Rick Molinaro,
Mikey has the option to take the shot or give it back.
So I think here, if you take this shot, you play safe, right? You thin it.
Thin it and get back behind the 3 and all. Back up
Yeah,
table.
and
Yeah.
try to come back up in here somewhere. Let's see what happens. So Mikey hit it just a little, not quite hard enough. Getting to this rail over here is important on that shot. But I'm going to learn how to make nice, clean lines with this thing here soon, guys. Don't worry. All right, so now
I think Mikey will try to go the same identical route and try to get up behind the 3-5.
Jimmy shot here, isn't it? Or Mikey. Yeah.
Oh.
He hit that ball really full, right?
Hit
So
it
if
real
you do the
full
same
and
thing,
double
you can get your
pistol.
cue ball right there around the 4 ball or something. I'd have been looking to put my cue ball on that shot. I'd have played it thin and tried to get like somewhere around in here. Anywhere in this vicinity, really, because the 4 ball comes really big. So Jimmy's got a real good chance to get out here. Both of them seem to be over hitting the things a little bit. Like they got to smooth out and play pool, you know.
The table plays fast.
Like here, this is a good shot. You know, you kind of drag it. You know, the 3 ball over. Slide the cue ball just a hair. That's a good shot too. All right, shoot the 5 in the
I
side.
think he's out there.
Come 1, 2 rails to the 9. Z shot, kinda. Just like this. Just want to get off the
Got
rail.
a little low.
Good shot there by Jimmy.
Good out.
Jimmy's off to a big lead here now. 4-0, but don't sleep on Mikey yet. If Mikey can get himself going where he gets one rack.
I've seen him come back. Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mikey can put a package together. But I would suggest that he starts now.
Be a good idea.
Jesus.
Ain't no breaks. Ain't no breaks. You can play a race to 7 without a cigarette.
Player break.
These guys, I tell you.
That's the momentum stopper.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Guys that's been in the game for a long time, they'll figure out how to stop the momentum when another player gets going.
That's it. At least wait to do it on your turn.
Oh no, you wait till your opponent misses, and then you take the bathroom break. So he really thinks about that miss, right?
Yeah. Good shot there by Jimmy. So Mikey's got a kick here. Mikey kicks good. He missed cue. So Jimmy, if you notice where Jimmy put that 1 ball, he put it in a good spot, right? Because if he gets ball in hand, he's got the option to play the 9 ball here. And that's just what's going to happen. He's going to play the 9, try to put the cue ball
behind the 3.
Behind the 3. Try to get his cue ball somewhere up in this area here. That's how I would play it. So he's a little straight on for that right now, but we'll see what he does. Looks like he's just going all out to make the ball, which is okay, but if you miss it, you don't have anything to go with it.
Oh.
See? So now if you just give yourself a little angle and roll into that ball, you get up into here. It's much different, right? And you can leave the 9 where you might get another shot at it.
Right. And he had pretty good space in between the cue ball and the one when he
So,
shot it.
and that lets you control the cue ball to
Gives
get
you-
on the 3 even more.
Yeah, I thought he would hit it soft enough and land that cue right up on top of 3.
Mm-hmm.
Do a two-way shot.
Now he's hitting them a little bit smoother.
Just draw this back a little. Now he's got an option here. He can go to the side rail and around the 6, or straight back, or roll it around. Yeah.
He hit the 6,
He
but
hit
he
the
still
6.
he has a hole for it.
He got fortunate.
Either way. Yeah, he can go to either pocket.
Just cut it in. Make sure you make the ball. Don't overhit it, and you're fine here. Yep.
And he'll come off the 8, go down to the bottom rail, and just come back up a little bit.
I like just drawing it a little like
Yep.
that. I will shoot the 9 ball in the hole. Mike, you'll get on the board here.
He was on the 9 already. You know what I mean?
So now Jimmy's got himself on the wrong side of the ball here. He's going to have to travel the table.
Get 3 rail.
Yeah, that's the only thing tough
Yeah.
there.
I
He's
thought
got
he
to
was-
juice it and
He was
pace.
trying to juice it, go 3 rails, and play the 8 ball on the short
That's
side
a
there.
typical thing about just playing the cue ball.
Now Mikey's got to stroke this ball.
He's on top of it.
He's got just enough space to cut it in. Oh my God.
Oh, he bunt
I
it.
guess he played safe.
He left him the whole ball. I think
Jumped
there
on that ball fast.
I think you're supposed to just go. I think you're
Make it.
supposed to be aggressive there
Yeah.
because you got a little bit of a two-way shot anyway. So
Yeah,
be aggressive, I think.
wasn't real hard to cut that ball in. Of course, you look at things a little different when you're trailing by 3 games.
And you're the one at the table, right?
Right. You don't see them like you do when you're sitting back looking at the table.
I never missed a ball from here.
Double kiss.
All right, so now Mikey should just play this ball with a little bit of right hand English and just get over there to the side rail around the middle diamond. A little firm, not quite enough spin. Should be okay. Just make this ball. Don't overhit it though. Like this. You overhit it, you bring the
Look
corner
out.
pocket and play. Ooh, my goodness
Boy, that was
gracious.
close.
He did. He just walked down there hoping that that
Right.
ball wasn't going to scratch.
Yeah, you learned that shot from me.
Just got to play it off, right? I knew it was going to the point of the pocket. I knew it wasn't going to scratch.
He is fun to fight, though. You know what I mean? When he comes in
He's
here,
a lot
I
of
mean,
fun.
a little bit of playing for jelly beans or whatever, but he's a lot of fun. Always fun at the table.
2 of the toughest matches I ever played were playing Mikey. You guys were there for both of them. I played him at the Expo, and I played him here at Brews. And it was a dogfight.
The second time here at Brews was an all-nighter.
Yeah,
It was a long set.
that's a good break there by Mike.
It's got a good starting
It's
shot.
a good table. Punch that one and drag it, right?
I don't see any
Give yourself
trouble
a little
balls
bit.
at all.
I
Yeah.
like leaving it on the rail.
Yeah, I'd probably try to
Cue ball on the rail, close to the rail.
leave it somewhere around here.
Yeah. And hit
And
that
then-
2 with a little bit of left.
Yep. And then play your 2 ball to come something like so.
You got a little flat there.
So not the ideal angle here on the 2. He might have to,
Draw it up between the 7 and 6.
or just stop it and take the shot, or create something like that. That's a good shot. All right, now.
Got himself back in shape.
Yeah, but it's a
And
tough.
nine's
You
in
play in the
play
corner,
here.
I guess.
Bounce into the 9 here. Play it soft.
That's the only thing. That side pocket's a little scary from that angle. I would have shot it the same way, but sometimes it just gets you. Seems like neither one of them have really adjusted to the speed yet, right? Like just overhitting everything, just a hair. Like that one turn.
Dwayne Pearson, Sean Wilkie, table 8.
There you go.
Dwayne Pearson, Sean
Hit
Wilkie,
that one
table
good.
8.
Just shoot it in, slide it, kill it right about there. Or that
There it
way.
is.
Okay. Uh-oh. Got Mikey pulling within a rack. So Mikey made the 9 on the break, but it's not a win. Gets to
Oh,
spot it. Huh? So he does get to keep shooting. Looks like the 4 ball's got him a little bit. He's going to play some sort of safe here, it looks like. Oh, he could see enough
Wow,
to
he
make
made
it.
it.
good
Good
shot.
shot, Mike.
Nice.
Good
Real
shot,
good
buddy.
shot.
Yep. Now you want to get to where
Just want to roll this ball a little bit, hit that bottom rail and come up just so you have a little. Oh, that's the 5 ball. I thought it was a 3
the
ball.
3 balls
Yeah.
here by the 9. So you're going to come this way and play it up in the other corner. That's a good shot. Now Mikey's has sort of a stunny stroke, punchy stroke anyway, so he'll just punch this ball over a little for the 4. A little firmer than I thought he would, but that's going to work out good. Come one rail, spin it out some, play the 5 ball right there in the corner it's sitting by. Roll up for the 7.
You got to be careful not to
He'll
come
go
up
rail
too high.
first.
Good,
Good
Good
shot.
shot.
That's a good touch.
Just to the side rail and out. Mikey's a friend of mine, and I swear he confuses me sometimes what he's going to do,
He
how he's going to
confuses
hit the ball.
himself sometimes. You know?
He looks like he's lining up to hit the ball low. He hits it high. He hits it outside, then hits it inside. Like I don't know what he's going to do.
And most good players, when they stroke, they always aim low, right? They stroke and aim low, and at the last minute they change it.
So some do.
Steve Fleming does that. I mean, he
It's
showed me.
4 to
but
4
yeah.
now. Okay, we're back with you here.
No, it's the other one. It's the one I had made. The new one's in my big case, but it's a little heavier. But you can get whatever you want. All my plant cues are in there. And my jaspers. It's all in there. You got 5 cues to pick from. Okay, sorry about that, guys. GG, nice to see Mikey out of hibernation.
I don't think you're on.
Nice to see Mikey out of hibernation. Yeah. He decided to grace us with his presence this week. Good shot here by Mikey.
And
So we're
Mikey
all.
put his little 3-pack together and found 4 to 4.
Yes, he did.
So
Yeah, you're in the money.
Mikey missed a 1, but he didn't leave too much. Could possibly leave a good shot for a safe. He could shoot this one, bank it past those 3 balls, 5, 7, and 9, and let the cue ball roll into those. Well, he went the other way. I think
He's got him hooked, but
yeah, left a fairly easy kick though.
yeah, you can come one rail, which is what Mikey's going to do. Uh-oh. That's
No,
just
it's not what
sometimes
you
not hitting
want.
them smooth. You gotta hit them smooth. Smooth equates to power,
Off
you know.
himself. I don't know if he can curve this ball around the 6 and make the
Now
one,
Mikey
or
will
he's
kick
going
this
to
ball in.
kick it in.
I played him so much, I already know what's coming. I watched
You
it
did.
happen for hours and hours and hours with so much to fade. But so now you just shoot the 2 ball up to the rail and put the cue behind the 5. Just like this. He could have got it a little tighter. You know, if you're looking for your cue ball to be like right here. That's where he wanted to be. Take away everything. So he left Jimmy that little swerve shot. He'll get another one here, but I like playing safe and trying to get up to the 8. He went the other way. That's even better, actually. Easier. A little firmer. Might have gave him the window, Dad.
Just a little bit, yeah. I don't know if he's got enough to make it. He can certainly hit it. Almost the same shot again.
I was going to say that time I think I like putting the 2 ball off the table and getting the cue ball to the 8.
Good shot by Jimmy, and he kisses the ball and scratches.
Just a
That's
bad
just
roll
a
there.
bad break. I'm going to go out on a limb and say Mikey gets out from here.
There you go. So now I'll just probably draw the 5 ball back a hair. Shoot the 6 in the other corner. Play the 7 in the side.
Seven in the side, roll right up table. Nice little angle on the 8, so he won't have any problem coming back down for the 9. Eight's in the hole. Needs a little bounce off that rail. Perfect. Five for Mikey.
Mikey's routed off 5 in a row. Take the lead by 1.
Wing ball goes in, another ball goes in. That's 2 on the break.
He's got a great look at the 1, especially to get to the 4. Can shoot this ball with some high inside. Come across, come across the 1. Come up into here somewhere for the 4 ball. Okay, or if you're Mikey, you bank it and make me look silly. That's my buddy. Good shot, Mike. All right, come on up to about the middle of the table here. He's got to hit this one good. Just play it with some outside. Come across the table. You don't need to get crazy speed-wise. See? There you go. Good shot. Now you can just come one rail with a little high, just a little inside, a lot of high. Come up to shoot the 7. Just like that. Okay, buddy. Just cut the 8 in and
Cut the 8 in.
just hit it real easy. Leave it there or come around it. What do you like?
Oh, he's got to cut it back. So.
Ugh, he didn't want to touch it.
He hit it twice.
Yeah.
I think I would have shot that with a lot of inside English. Hit it thin and let it, when it hits the back rail, to come back to him.
I thought he would have banked that one.
Makes it tied, 5-5 again. But Mikey got 5 of them and only gave up 1, so that's not a bad exchange.
Dave. All right. Well, it's a race to 2. Can only be 3 more racks. All right, so Jimmy's made a ball on the break for 2. We got a good shot here. Shoot the 1 in the side. Come up between the 7 and the 9. Got a good look here on the 2 ball.
He cuts this in, just puts a little right on it, goes behind the 3 and shoot it in the same pocket, I would think. No, he put inside, ain't going to shoot it in the other corner pocket. Shows you how much I know.
Well, it's when Tony was here, we were talking earlier too. Everyone just has shots that they favor, especially on the bar table, right? So, I mean, you can shoot that ball a couple different ways, and that's where you see who plays the bar table a lot and who plays the big table a lot. So the big table player there is probably going to go like around 2 rails, like outside English, right? Bottom rail, side rail, and out here to shoot the 3 in that corner. The bar table, quote unquote, player is going to hit that ball with an inside, high inside and firmer, and come up and shoot it in that hole.
Right.
Like it's just a little bit of differences there, even though it's same game, but.
And I've seen a lot of big table players. When they come down to the bar table, they think everything is easy because it's so much smaller, but yet they get themselves in trouble just because of that.
Yeah, I agree. It takes a minute. You have to, the adjustment from the big table to the bar table to be successful really is about just shortening your stroke, right? Because if you play the big table all the time, as far as making a ball, pocketing the ball, it always looks easy to make the ball,
Yes.
right? That's easy. So, but you don't always go 2 and 3 rails. on the bar table, and nowadays with the diamond bar table, you really play position a little bit differently than you do from the going from a Brunswick to a Valley. You know, in my opinion, that's been a big adjustment that I made. I've had some people around me that have helped me make that adjustment, and it showed up.
Right, and the diamond tables because they're not forgiving tables, so you got to put the ball where where it's not too bad of a shot to have.
I
But I
agree.
know the big table player, when he first starts playing on the bar table, they have to learn to play a little bit of bump pool
Hmm.
because they don't have that room to go 2 rails or 3 rails.
Exactly. So we got Mikey on the hill there. That was a big miss by Jimmy. He's going to be a little upset with himself. He gave Mikey some opportunities. Almost sounded like Mikey bad racked himself there, didn't it? Like,
Yeah, he
sounded a little mushy.
broke dry. Didn't sound real good.
That ain't no good. Jimmy's got a really good opportunity to get out. I mean, that two ball's pretty simple. You just play the one ball to the inside rail side, let it come into the two and make the two, and you'll come out and have a great shot on the one. Just like that. Great
Good
shot.
shot. He must have been listening to you.
The night the ATM didn't work, you gave me $40 so I could play Keno. No worries, bro.
Shoot the three in the corner, come over and shoot the four in the same corner. Just go to the side rail with a little inside, get a good angle on the five to the side. He actually elected to hit it nice and firm, which is a good trait. If you watch all the top level pros, they always go the route that they can hit the ball the firmest because it's easier to control. Good shot there by Jimmy. Looks like we might be going hill. It's a little early, but if he just gets on the 7 ball, you got to think he's going to get there. Okay. Oh, he's made it a little tough. I think you wanted to get a little outside, right?
Yeah,
Or you hit it easier and come on the other side of the 9 ball. That's a bar table shot. But just play it in the side and come up. I think he should be okay.
He's going to hit the 9.
Oh,
Almost cost him. Instead, worked out really well.
good thing he had a good pace on that ball. All right, Mikey gives him that one. It is now hill.
Hill, and Jimmy's breaking.
We got action. Hill on the TV table at the 5th annual Brews and Q's Black Friday tournament. Let's see what happens here. Some guys have a tendency here to overcook the break, then they might undercook the break. So you need to get us a good solid break. Make sure you make the wing ball and take whatever happens from there.
Oh, he's scratching the side.
That's no good.
Just
no
got a little
bueno.
strong. You get on hill and you're breaking, and sometimes that adrenaline gets up just a little bit.
A little too much, right?
Right. You don't mean to hit it that hard, but you do. It's a good shot. Mikey's got a good chance to get out here.
Draw it out and play the nation, right?
Makes this, makes 5 inside, 7 in, 5 in the corner, 7 in the side. He's going to shoot the 8 in the corner and just stop there and shoot the 9.
Pretty simple from here. He didn't want quite this much angle, but he should be able to just float it up to the rail. There you go. Good shot. Shooting this last 9-ball for the set. All right. Nice match there. Hill, good shooting, Mikey.